shaped by our emotions. Spread your wings and soar with freedom's blessings. Overcome your fears and keep calm in the face of the shadowy dangers ahead. Cherish the blissful memories that you've made with your friends. Immerse yourself in the fascinating secrets of the watery depths. Achieve victory by confidently tapping into your teammates' potential. Believe in the bonds of friendship that have gotten you through even the hardest challenges. Celebrate festivals passionately with the friends that you've met on your journey. In every moment, your feelings matter here. Feel the impact.